Hey YouTube, so today we are going to be making Rice Krispie treats. So I tried to do this video yesterday, but I didn't realize how it turned out. Y'all don't mind my hair, I washed it. I washed it, so I'm about to give you Rice Krispie treats and about to go ahead and get it going. Alright, let me get the Rice Krispie treats. Tell them hi. Oh, you choking. You alright? You okay? Rice Krispies, marshmallows. You want a marshmallow? Go on. Marshmallow. Okay, y'all. So, I'm gonna give me a pot. Talk about my butter in. Hold on. It's really not too. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Y'all, it's really not to making this. It's really not to making these Rice Krispie treats. For real, it's not. So let's see. I used the deficit yesterday. What did I do? Alright, so we're just gonna use this butter. I'm gonna cut. I'm trying to see. Okay, we'll figure it out. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna cut a half a stick of butter. Half a stick. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna put it in the pot. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. What you want? Another one? Say marshmallow. Here. You welcome. Okay, y'all. Okay. So I really need to put this in the pan because I couldn't find no pan. Yes, I mean. Y'all, we're gonna have to be round Rice Krispie treats because that's all we got for real. It might work out in this. Alright, so we're gonna have to cut it in this because I don't got nothing else to put it in. For real. You can't eat all of them. Here. You can't eat all of them. I'm telling you, you can't eat all of them. Okay, y'all. So we got the butter in there. We wait for the butter to melt. I think I'm just gonna let this video go all the way through. Charlotte, oh no, y'all. I should never gave her none. Now she here. That's it. That's it. Drink your cup. Now. Alright, y'all. So like what is going on? Like I be posting. I'm here for y'all to subscribe. Like for real. I think I have to have a Gmail account or whatever to subscribe. But I'm gonna need for y'all to subscribe. I'm at 19 subscribers right now. Shalaya. God, here. I'm at 19 subscribers right now. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers. So y'all share my videos. Share them. Comment on there, like them, subscribe to our channel. Just try to get us out there, y'all, so people can, watch us do so we can go ahead. I don't know what else to do, y'all. We can't go outside nowhere. Okay, I'm about to put them up. We can't go outside nowhere, y'all, so I don't know what to do for real. I'm about to put these up in here. Oh, the butter done melted. At least I'll lay a couple of them. I'll let y'all lay a couple. We're going to stir this. All right, we're going to stir this. Let me make sure y'all don't fall. All right, let's stir this. Hold on. Here. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to bring y'all with me because y'all probably want to see me stir it. Okay. Our butter ain't melted all the way yet. Okay, y'all. We're gonna come back when the butter's all the way melted. You don't want to leave this too unattended because this shit probably can burn. Shalea! Alright. Y'all, she want these marshmallows and she never got her started on them. She never got her started on the marshmallows. Here. It's only a couple left. Oh, hold on. She gonna go off when they all gone. You like marshmallows? I'm gonna give you some Cheerios. Y'all, she got a new kind of Cheerios. They her favorite. So she got a new kind. She got blueberries. So we're gonna get her them when these marshmallows right now, cause say thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Don't say do what you want to do. Alright, y'all. I'm about to stir this. Hold on 1 second. Alright, y'all. It's getting a little melty, y'all. One. Alright, y'all. I don't know. So, it's melting. I really don't know what to talk about at this point. So, y'all, stay tuned. And then I'm going to come back once all this is done. Okay, y'all. So, we back. So, this is what this looks. Oh, y'all can't see it. Hold on. I'm about to put it in the bowl. Oh, hold on, y'all. Let me put this in there first. Alright, y'all. Hopefully, I got enough marshmallows. Because I told y'all I made some yesterday. So, I used a whole bunch yesterday. And I took a picture of the ones I made yesterday. But I didn't put them in there. Because I wanted them to be in like a rectangular pan. So, but I'm going to take a picture. I had left it in the bowl. So, I'm going to take a picture for y'all to show y'all today and yesterday. I'm going to insert the picture of yesterday's one. What you want? Alright, y'all. I'm stirring it up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 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 Shalea. Ooh. Oh, y'all. I don't know if I don't think it was enough marshmallows. I really don't. Oh, hold on. That's okay. We're gonna make it work. It don't matter. We're gonna let it freeze. Alright, we're gonna pour it in here. We're gonna let it freeze. Alright, y'all. I'm not freeze. We're gonna let it get. Shalea. Hold on. We're gonna let it get cold. Alright. Alright, y'all. Alright, we're gonna let it sit probably for, I wanna say, let me show y'all what it look like. Okay, so we got it in this little thing right here. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna let this sit probably for about 20 minutes. And then we're gonna take it back out. And so I'll be right back. So I'm done with this. Is cold, so we about to cut that. Hold on. Oh. Hold on, y'all. We about to cut that and see what this tastes like. Alright. See. I'm gonna let your leg Don't mind the mess. That was from my other video. Oh, oh, okay. All I had to do was keep it in there a little bit longer. We're gonna let Charlotte taste some. All right, bite it. Tell me how it tastes. Oh, you like it? Thumbs up. She must like it. Okay, y'all. So that was my Christmas treat. I made it. Hold on. Thank y'all for watching.